Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The Best Piping Kits is probably one of the most rewarding tools for transforming a simple cake into a stunning masterpiece, allowing home bakers and aspiring decorators alike to unleash their creativity with intricate designs, delicate borders, and personalized messages, making every celebration extra special and visually delightful with just a squeeze and a swirl. Number 5. RFAQK 90-Piece Cake Decorating Kit. Are you new to cake decorating and unsure where to begin? This comprehensive kit provides all the essential tools you need to start creating beautiful cakes with confidence. It's designed specifically for beginners, making your first steps into baking fun and easy. This kit includes an 11-inch turntable that revolves smoothly in both directions, perfect for right or left-handers. Made from non-sticky, dishwasher-safe polypropylene, it makes decorating birthdays, weddings, and other event cakes a breeze. You'll receive 55 disposable and 1 reusable silicone piping bag, offering ample supply for practice and various designs. The 24 numbered icing tips come with a pattern booklet, making it simple to choose the right tip for borders, flowers, writing, and intricate details. This set also features 3 cake scrapers for smoothing and shaping, plus 2 couplers for quick tip changes. A cleaning brush is included to keep your narrow tip opening spotless, ensuring every creation is flawless. To further support your journey, it provides a complete video course, a detailed pattern booklet, and a digital user guide. These resources include 3 cake recipes and step-by-step guidance for baking, leveling, and icing. We are committed to providing the highest quality products for your baking needs. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, you can return it for a full and prompt refund. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything a beginner needs to start decorating with confidence. It includes a smooth revolving turntable and numbered tips with a pattern chart, making it incredibly user-friendly. If you are just starting your cake decorating journey and want a complete package with guided learning, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful points. Number 4. MuYwa Piping Bag and Tips Kit. Introducing the MuYwa Piping Bag and Tips Kit, your essential companion for all baking and decorating needs. This comprehensive set provides everything you need to start creating beautiful treats right away. This reusable kit includes 6 stainless steel icing tips, a durable silicone pastry bag, and a convenient plastic coupler. It offers an affordable, fast, and simple way to achieve professional-looking decorations. Designed for longevity and ease, this kit is simple to assemble, clean, and is even dishwasher safe. Its silicone pastry bags allow for various icing colors, and the couplers ensure mess-free tip changes. Crafted from high-quality TPU, it is lightweight, soft, and incredibly flexible for comfortable handling. Its non-stick and non-slip properties make it easy to use and quick to clean. A must-have for frosting, it empowers you to create countless flowers and patterns on cakes, cupcakes, pies, and cookies. This kit is also perfect for beginners looking to explore the art of cake decorating. Enhance your family time in the kitchen by decorating pastries together. These icing piping tips are safe and enjoyable for kids, making baking a fun and memorable activity for everyone. What we like. This set focuses on reusability and simplicity, offering a durable silicone pastry bag and stainless steel tips. It's designed for easy assembly, cleaning, and is dishwasher safe, promoting long-term use. If you are looking for an eco-friendly and straightforward basic set for occasional decorating, this one is perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. RFAQK 74-Piece Cake Decorating Kit with Numbered Tips. Ready to decorate like a pro? This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to start creating stunning cakes. It's packed with essential tools to unleash your inner baker. Discover a fantastic collection of 48 high-quality stainless steel tips. They come in various styles, allowing you to create diverse and beautiful designs on your treats. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this set is perfect for you. It features numbered tips and a pattern chart booklet, making tip selection incredibly simple. Beyond the tips, this kit provides 20 disposable bags, a reusable pastry bag, couplers, and a cleaning brush. Everything is neatly organized in a convenient storage box. Looking for a thoughtful present? This icing set is an ideal gift for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. It's sure to delight any baking enthusiast. Crafted from durable materials, these tools are built to last. Plus, your satisfaction is their top priority, with support available to resolve any issues quickly. What we like. This kit stands out with its extensive collection of 48 numbered stainless steel tips, including large sizes, offering professional-grade variety. It comes with a pattern chart booklet and an e-book for guidance, plus a convenient storage box. If you want to expand your design capabilities with a wide range of tips and keep your tools organized, this set is highly recommended. What people say. No suitable reviews found in the provided source. No suitable reviews found in the provided source. Number 2. Crazy Sweet Creations by How to Cook That. Discover a world of incredible desserts and confectionery. This collection brings you the most imaginative and delicious sweet treats. Move past simple recipes and explore truly unique creations. You'll learn techniques to make stunning, show-stopping sweets that impress everyone. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this guide offers something for everyone. It helps you elevate your skills and confidence in the kitchen. Each recipe is broken down into easy-to-follow steps. You'll achieve perfect results every time, transforming simple ingredients into edible masterpieces. Imagine the joy of sharing your homemade, crazy sweet creations. It's more than just baking, it's about making memories. What we like. This product offers an immersive learning experience through a video course, providing expert guidance on creative cake decorating techniques. It allows you to learn at your own pace from a renowned creator. If you prefer learning visually and want to master advanced or unique decorating styles, this course is an invaluable resource. What people say. Number 1. Plateau ELK Cake Decorating Kit. These piping bags are crafted from 60HA elastic silicone, a perfect material for decorating. Its slight elasticity ensures reusability and allows viscous liquids to flow smoothly. You won't experience blowouts, even with thick batter. The smooth interior of this set makes frosting fall off easily after a warm water rinse. It's an excellent choice for bright-colored frostings, preventing colored residues unlike cheaper alternatives. Simply turn it inside out and clean with warm soapy water. The included converters prevent edging out during extrusion, allowing you to switch icing tips with ease. There's no need to hollow out icing or replace the entire bag. This feature is incredibly helpful for creating diverse cake decoration patterns. This comprehensive cake decorating kit includes 2 pastry bags and 6 stainless steel icing tips. You also get 2 standard converters, 2 silicone rings, and 3 cake scrapers. Everything you need to get started is right here. This icing piping bag is perfect for creating cupcakes, cakes, bread, biscuits, and various other desserts. It truly assists in daily baking, professional endeavors, and party gatherings. Imagine the praise you'll receive for your inviting creations. Plateau ELK aims to bring happiness and motivation to all bakers, from beginners to experienced pros. We are committed to providing high-quality products and services for a pleasant shopping experience. If you have any issues, contact us directly for a prompt resolution. What we like. This set features professional-grade elastic silicone pastry bags designed for smooth flow and durability, even with thick batters. Its smooth interior prevents colored residues, making cleanup a breeze, and the non-slip exterior ensures a comfortable grip. If you prioritize high-quality, easy-to-clean reusable bags that perform exceptionally well, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.